Hello! In this video I just wanted to compare two of the Nextool tools. We've got the Mini Sailor here and the Mini Flagship here. Both of these versions are just the bog standard versions, not the pro versions. You can get pro versions of both of these tools that have upgraded steel and slightly different tool sets. I live in the UK and I'm not allowed to carry locking blade knives technically out in public or anything, so part of the reason I've chosen to look at these two is they're both slip joint knives and don't have locking tools, so they're perfectly legal in the UK. And these two are both dead handy and both really similar, but which one would you choose? They're both a very similar size. Mini Sailor is about 67mm long or 2.64 inches. Mini Flagship is about 63mm long or 2.47 inches. Weight wise, the Mini Sailor is 2.979 ounces, Flagship 2.8 ounces, and in grams that's 84 grams versus 80 grams. Mini Flagship slightly lighter, slightly smaller, and they're kind of the same thickness. What's that with the screws? 0.62 of an inch or about 16mm thick. So they've both got pretty much exactly the same blade on there. This is just a darkened, blackened version. But it's the same length, same shape, same thickness and everything. I can't remember what this steel is off the top of my head, but it's your typical kind of 420C type of steel, I think. Not going to hold an edge for ages, going to be really easy to sharpen. And that blade is plenty big enough for your average EDC tasks, I think, in an urban setting. Cutting edge length of about 43mm or 1.69 inches long blade there. That's all right though for opening packaging, you know, stuff like that, it's fine. Neither of these two have a pocket clip, but they've both got a little keyring loop on there. Both have got an identical combo tool on here with a bottle opener and this little can opener. I've not actually used this. I should imagine it's going to be quite slow to use, but it's an emergency can opener on there if you need it. You got kind of 2D Phillips drivers on both of them, but as you can see, the one on the Mini Flagship is much longer reach. So yeah, that's going to be a better Phillips probably in use than this tiny stubby one, but both work okay on Phillips screws. Both have got these little slotted screwdriver tips on there, but you can see again the one on the Mini Flagship is much longer reach, and there's no file on the Mini Sailor, but you've got a 3-surface file on the Mini Flagship. This file isn't terribly effective. It's much improved on the F12 model version of this tool, but yeah, a semi-useful file on there, but the Mini Sailor doesn't have any kind of file. The Mini Sailor does have a tool that the Flagship doesn't, and that's this. They call it a SIM card ejector tool. A very small, thin, pokey, proddy bit of metal for ejecting SIM cards. Could come in useful, I suppose. It's got one on there, Mini Flagship doesn't. Both got what appear to be identical or almost identical combination pliers with needle nose and regular pliers, and a little wire cutter at the bottom of both there. These work fine. I've not had either of these just break in my hands by applying a load of pressure. Can be dead useful for smaller jobs. Handy to have in such a tiny compact tool. Both the same. And the other available tools is a pair of scissors on both. This type on the Mini Sailor, they're alright, but they're just really small. And this type on the Mini Flagship, which are just much better, much more capable, much more effective. This long handle making them more comfortable as well. More like a pair of mini shears, I guess. But yeah, these scissors absolutely slaughter these little ones. So that's it. That's the similarities and differences. And for me, the Nextool Mini Flagship is a clearly superior choice. It's slightly lighter, slightly smaller. It has mostly the same tools, but with a better Phillips, the file on there, and the much better scissors. And they're kind of a similar price as well. So I would always choose the Mini Flagship over the Mini Sailor. What do you guys reckon?